Hello, I'm Manu, and for today we have this old-fashioned Jerusalem artichoke salad. This is a version of old-fashioned potato salad, so let's do it. The original recipe is prepared from potatoes. As I said before, we'll prepare this from Jerusalem artichokes instead potatoes, because there are plenty of this recipe on the internet, the original one from potatoes, but none of them is made from Jerusalem artichokes. So let's give a chance for this plant, this forgotten plant. We need a quantity equivalent for 5 potatoes. Yes, so this quantity of Jerusalem artichokes we will boil 1 egg. Here is the Jerusalem artichoke and the egg. Well, the Jerusalem artichokes are ready. Let's strain them. While they are still hot, it's time to add some salt. A little bit of pepper. And by the way, the Jerusalem artichoke, by its taste, it fits very well with something sour. In this case, we'll use a little bit of apple vinegar. This is homemade apple vinegar. Sprinkle a little bit of apple vinegar to the Jerusalem artichokes. Are you interested about how to make apple vinegar at home? If yes, please write me in a comment and I will create a video about apple vinegar. And even a little bit of paprika. And let it to cool down. In this time we have this egg. One or two onions. Pour the onion into the mayonnaise and stir. The next one, the celery. Pour in the mayonnaise. Clove of garlic. A clove of garlic. Pour in the mayonnaise and stir. A cup of pickled gherkins, around like this I will use. Cut in smaller chunks. Now let's check the Jerusalem artichokes. Here there are. and pour all of these into this bowl. And stir. Next, as I said before, the Jerusalem artichokes, due to its taste and its structure, it needs to match with something sour. In this case, for this recipe, I will use the pickled gherkins, as I mentioned before. In another recipe, I used an apple, and the apple and the Jerusalem artichokes, they fit together very well. So try that recipe. You will find it in the link below. Yes. And the last one, but not at least, the egg. For this quantity we don't need 2 eggs. 1 egg is enough. Stir, mix all together. It has a good smell, yes, I can feel it. So here we are. Okay, that's enough. For the moment, let's decorate. There are plenty of daisies in the garden, so I picked some daisies. By the way, there are edible flowers. I tried to eat the daisy leaves. Here it is. Delicious. And so the salad is not complete without something to drink. And we use our tea, our delicious tea, for the salads. And let's have a try. Let's have a try. Delicious, and there's a balance between the Jerusalem artichokes and the pickled gherkins, the onions, the sour things. So on each salad there must be this balance. And we have this. So it's delicious and very delicious with the tea. So that was the salad for today. Old-fashioned Jerusalem artichoke salad. If you like the idea, please subscribe, press the like button, subscribe in order to help our idea to grow, and see you next time for a new salad. Bye bye.